Today we're going to talk about another one of our pocket demos. This is our SafeGuard pocket demo. So included in the pocket demo, you're going to get our SafeGuard, a pair of ferrules with a GRQ clamp that is mounted with a hex nut. So these are a little bit more challenging to take off by hand if you've tightened them down, but really the functionality of this sample is to be able to show off the SafeGuard technology. So our SafeGuard technology is designed to tamper-proof a connection. So if customers have critical connections that they want to either protect operators from accidental opening so that there aren't depressurizations or taking apart an energized steam line while it's charged, you can employ the SafeGuard technology. It's very functionally easy to use. It slides right over top of the bolt stud. It'll actually indicate that it's aligned properly. And then with the sample, we provide a push pin. But the great thing about the SafeGuard is that you're able to use a multitude of different closers for this. You can actually use a lockout tagout lock. We've got clevis pins and other things available that we can provide with these to finish the connection. So this is our pocket demo for our SafeGuard.